Many gamers choose to play with a console as they are designed for easy setup and maintenance. It offers a hassle-free experience, a cheaper point of entry, and a more comprehensive selection of games. This video lists the top 6 best gaming consoles in 2021. Our list begins with the PlayStation 5. This Sony PlayStation 5 gaming console features an integrated I/O system that fully harnesses the power of the custom-designed AMD Ryzen Zen 2 8-core CPU, AMD Radeon RDNA 2-based graphics, and extremely fast 825GB solid-state drive. It integrates the core systems to deliver an incredibly fast gaming performance, and its SSD, with a data transfer speed of up to 5.5 GB per second, is designed to eliminate load times practically. Its ray tracing and HDR support work together to fully deliver realistic lights, shadows, and reflections to immerse you in in-game environments. And it supports a 120Hz output and provides up to 120 frames per second on compatible 4K televisions for smooth liquid graphics, as well as its HDMI 2.1 port also supports 8K output, which allows you to play supported games at 4320p resolution. Additionally, its Tempest 3D audio tech will enable you to experience sound that feels like it's coming from all directions in supported games, whether you have headphones on or are using your TV speakers. And its added Ultra HD Blu-ray disc player allows you to watch 4K Blu-ray movies, along with playing PS5 game discs. Next is the Xbox Series X. This Xbox Series X is the fastest and most potent Xbox ever. It offers a next-gen speed and performance with the Xbox Velocity architecture, powered by a custom SSD and integrated software. And it will let you play thousands of games from 4 generations of Xbox, including Xbox One, Xbox 360, and original Xbox titles with backward compatibility. Furthermore, its modernized Xbox wireless controller is designed for enhanced comfort during gameplay, and its Seagate storage expansion card for Xbox Series X delivers an additional 1TB of external memory while maintaining the same peak performance of the console's internal SSD for a streamlined gaming experience. Next is the Nintendo Switch. This Nintendo Switch comes with an enhanced 6.2-inch screen, which displays bright, high-definition gameplay at the park, on an airplane, in a car, or at a friend's apartment. Its main unit rests in the Nintendo Switch dock, which can connect the system to the TV and lets you play with family and friends in the comfort of your living room. And it comes with 2 Joy-Con, each of which can act as a standalone controller with an analog stick, a full complement of face and shoulder buttons, built-in motion sensing, and an HD rumble technology. Furthermore, its updated battery life of up to 9 hours can provide a whole home console experience anytime, anywhere, for even longer than the original model. And it has 32 GB of internal storage, a portion of which is reserved for use by the system, and can expand its capacity using microSD-XC or microSD-HC memory cards. Its USB ports on the Nintendo Switch dock can be used to charge accessories, such as the Nintendo Switch Pro controller and Joy-Con attached to a Joy-Con charging grip. And it can be connected to the internet via a wireless connection, while up to 8 systems can be connected over a local wireless connection in compatible multiplayer games. Next is the Microsoft Xbox Series S. This Xbox Series S comes equipped with AMD Zen 2, RDNA 2 architectures, hardware-accelerated DirectX ray tracing, and delivers realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections to create dynamic, living worlds. Its Velocity architecture combines a custom SSD with integrated software to reduce load times both in and out of games. And its quick resume features allow you to switch seamlessly between multiple different titles and resume instantly from where you left off. Moreover, games featuring the optimized for Xbox Series X S icon will showcase fast load times, heightened visuals, and steady frame rates up to 120 frames per second. And it provides support for 3D spatial sound, which uses advanced algorithms to create immersive worlds that put you at the center of your experience. Next is the PlayStation 4 Pro. With an updated graphics architecture and support for 4K gaming, the PS4 Pro provides increased detail, higher resolution graphics, and faster or more stable frame rates than the original PS4. Its PlayStation's graphics processing unit contains a unified array of 36 compute units based on the Polaris architecture, which collectively generate 4.2 teraflops of processing power that can be applied freely to graphics, simulation tasks, or a mixture of the two. And its equipped 8GB of unified system memory can ease game creation and increase the richness of content. Its high-speed GDDR5 is used for the memory to give the system a total of 218GB a second of bandwidth and provide a further boost to graphics performance, as well as its PlayStation app will enable iOS and Android smartphones and tablets to become second screens for the PS4 Pro. Last on our list is the Super NES Classic. This Super NES Classic Edition system has the original look and feel of the 90s home console. It comes preloaded with 21 games and makes an excellent start for those who remember the Super Nintendo's offering starting from scratch. And its 21 preloaded games include several SNES classics from the platformer, racing, action, and RPG genres, such as the iconic Super Mario World, Star Fox, and even the exceptionally rare Earthbound, the latter of which can go for hundreds of dollars all by itself. Moreover, it has a storage capacity of 512 megabytes, and it's compatible with the Classic Controller and Classic Controller Pro accessories. Thank you for watching.